Hello and welcome friends. This is the third video on MCQ on modern history for exams like UPSC, WBCS, SSC, Rails, etc. Previous, Previously I have made another two videos on the topic. Basically I am trying to make a series on MCQ questions. I will try to cover more than 500 questions in this series. So in case you have not seen the previous ones, I request you to go to my playlist and see them. Also, I am giving link of the previous videos in my description. You can watch from there. So let's start for now. First question. Consider following statement about 1906 session of Indian National Congress and choose correct statement. First one, the session was headed by Dadabhai Naoroji. A resolution on national education policy was passed. The goal of INC was defined as Swaraj or self-government. 1906 সালের কংগ্রেস সেশনে নিয়ে তিনটে অপশন করা হয়েছে। ফার্স্ট অপশন, সেশনের চেয়ারম্যান ছিল দাদাভাই নওরোজি, তার আন্ডারে হয়েছিল এবং ওই সেশনটাতে জাতীয় শিক্ষানীতির উপরে একটা রেজলিউশন পাস করা হয়েছিল এবং স্বরাজ্য অর সেলফ গভর্নমেন্ট এইটাও পাস করা হয়েছিল এই সেশনে। অপশন স্যার 1 and 3, 3 only, 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 1, 2 and 3. I will give you 5 to 10 seconds. You try to mark the correct option. I will give you the correct ones later. So first one, the session was headed by Dadabhai Naoroji. Correct. Resolution on national education policy was passed. This is also correct. And the goal of INC was defined as Swarajya or self-government. This is also correct. So option answer will be here D. Next one. Match the pairs and choose correct option. In list 1 and list 2, these are given. You have to mark the correct pair. মানে নাম্বার 1 এ যেমন আছে ফার্স্ট অ্যাংলো মাইসোর ওয়ার, সেই সঙ্গে ট্রিটি অফ ম্যাড্রাস, এটা কারেক্ট কিনা সেটা বলতে হবে। সেকেন্ড বাংলো মাইসোর ওয়ার, ট্রিটি অফ শ্রীরঙ্গপত্তনম, and থার্ড অ্যাংলো মাইসোর ওয়ার, ট্রিটি অফ ম্যাঙ্গালোর। Basically, Anglo-Mysore Four Anglo-Mysore happened between Nizam of Hyderabad, Marathas, British, and Hyder Ali, and later on Tipu Sultan. So in this case, first Anglo-Mysore Treaty of Madras, this is going to be correct. Second Anglo-Mysore Treaty of Srirangapatnam, incorrect, because second Anglo-Mysore was related to Treaty of Mangalore, and third Anglo-Mysore was Treaty of Srirangapatnam. Next one. Who was contemporary of Raja Rammohon Rai? Contemporary meaning সমসাময়িক, একই সময়ের। রাজা রামমোহন রায়ের সমসাময়িক কে ছিলেন? ডেভিড হেয়ার, রবীন্দ্রনাথ টেগর, আলেকজান্ডার ডাফ, তারাচাঁদ চক্রবর্তী। Correct option will be 1, 3 and 4. This one. Rabindranath Tagore by no means was contemporary of Raja Rammohon Rai. Basically, Devendranath Tagore, father of Rabindranath Tagore, was contemporary of Raja Rammohon Rai. They worked together actually in Brahmo Samaj. Next one. Choose correct options. National song Bande Mataram was sung for the first time in 1905 session. George Uley was the first Englishman to become the president of Indian National Congress. First option, in national song Bande Mataram was sung for the first time in 1905 session. This is an incorrect statement, because in Madras session 1887, the first national song Bande Mataram was first time sung, and George Uley was first Englishman. This is correct one. Next one, question number 35 of that total series. Which is are correct? You have to select the correct statement from these two. First one is, the first women school in India was opened by J.D. Betun. Wood's dispatch stressed on the need of women education in India. Yeah, both are correct. Question 36. Consider following statement and choose correct ones. Kadambini Ganguly was first women graduate from Calcutta University who addressed the Congress session. Lord Dufferin was the Viceroy of India during first session of Indian National Congress. Kadambini Ganguly was first women graduate. This is correct statement. And also the second one is correct. Question 37. Choose correctly matched pair. This is colonial power and this is their first factory in India. British Surat, Portuguese Calicut, Dutch Machilipatnam. British Surat, this is correct. Portuguese Calicut, this is incorrect. Dutch Machilipatnam, this is also correct. Actually, Portuguese they set up their first factory in Kochi, Kerala. Next one. He himself married a widow in 1893. He dedicated his life to the upliftment of the Hindu widows. He set up an Indian Women's University at Bombay in 1960. Who is the personality according to the facts? এই পার্সোনালিটি ব্যক্তিত্বটি নিজে 1893 সালে একজন বিধবা মহিলাকে বিয়ে করেছিলেন এবং তিনি তার সারা জীবন বিধবাদের জন্যই কাজ করে গেছেন। ফার্স্ট ইন্ডিয়ান উইমেন ইউনিভার্সিটি তৈরি করেছিলেন মুম্বাইতে। কে পার্সোনালিটি? ইউ হ্যাভ টু আইডেন্টিফাই দ্যাট। ঈশ্বরচন্দ্র বিদ্যাসাগর, বিষ্ণু শাস্ত্রী পণ্ডিত, ডি.কে. কার্ভে, বি.এম. মালাবারি। The answer is D.K. Karve. Question 39. Which of the following pair is correct? You have to choose the correctly matched pair. East India Association Dadabhai Naoroji, India League Anand Mohan Bose, Indian Association of Calcutta Shishir Kumar Ghosh. East India Association was established by Dadabhai Naoroji. This is correct. Indian League. Actually, Indian League was established in 1875 by Shishir Kumar Ghosh, and Indian Association of Calcutta was established the next year by Surendranath Banerjee and Anand Mohan Bose. So these two statement is incorrect. They have been reversed. This will be Shishir Kumar Ghosh and Indian Association of Calcutta will be Anand Mohan Bose. Question 40. Consider following statements about Alipur bomb conspiracy. Alipur bomb and choose correct option. In this case, Profullo Chaki was arrested and faced trial. Number 2, in this case, members of Anushilan Samiti are arrested. And number 3, Aurobindo Ghosh retired from active nationalist politics after serving a prison sentence. Mark correct option. ABC Indian given, try to mark. First statement, in this case, Profullo Chaki was arrested. Look, Profullo Chaki was not related to Alipur bomb conspiracy. Profullo Chaki and Khudiram Bose tried to kill a magistrate, Kingsport, and they tried to kill him in Muzaffarnagar, but actually they killed two innocent ladies. And in that case, Khudiram Bose was arrested and faced trial, and Profullo Chaki shot himself dead. So this first option is going to be incorrect. Second one is correct. Alipur bomb conspiracy অনুশীলন সমিতির মেম্বার্স অ্যারেস্টেড হয়েছিল ইনক্লুডিং অরবিন্দ ঘোষ এবং তার ভাই বারীন্দ্র ঘোষ। সো 2 নম্বর কারেক্ট। নাম্বার 3, অরবিন্দ ঘোষ রিটায়ার্ড ফ্রম অ্যাক্টিভ। অরবিন্দ ঘোষ জেল টার্ম ভোগ করেছিলেন এবং তারপরে সে অ্যাক্টিভ পলিটিক্স থেকে কিন্তু সরে যায়। নেক্সট কোশ্চেন, choose correct statement about social movements in South India. Vaikom Satyagraha led by K.P. Kesava in Tamil Nadu. Self-respect movement was started by Ramasamy Naikar. Vaikam Satyagraha, important. First one is incorrect because Vaikam Satyagraha was led by Kashava, but it was in Kerala. Uh, in this Satyagraha movement, they fight for the interest of untouchability. They threw open the roads, temples for untouchables. And second one is correct. Self-respect movement was, this is also a social reform movement for the lower caste of the society. Number 42. Which of the following movement was a reformist movement? You see, movements are two types. First, reformist and revivalist. In reformist means that aims to reform the status quo present in the society. সমাজে যেটা বর্তমান আছে সেটাকে পরিবর্তন করার চেষ্টা করে রিফর্মিস্ট মুভমেন্ট, আর রিভাইভালিস্ট মুভমেন্ট হচ্ছে দ্যাট ওয়ান্টস টু ব্রিং ব্যাক সামথিং, রিভাইভ করা। সো basically which is our reformist movement? This is trying to ask the questions. Aligarh movement, Arya Samaj, Deoband movement. Aligarh movement is of course a reformist movement. It was a movement of education reforms in Muslims. Arya Samaj was basically a revivalist movement. They talk about the Vedas, they gave slogans back to Vedas, and Deoband movement also a revivalist movement. So option will be Aligarh movement only. Next one, consider following statements about Ahmadiyya movement and select correct option. It was founded by Haji Shariat Allah. It spread Western liberal education among Indian Muslims. It opposed jihad. First one is incorrect because Ahmadiyya movement was founded by Mirza Ghalib Ahmad. And second and third one is correct. So option will be 2 and 3, C. Next one, and yes, last question of this video. Arrange the following in correct chronology: Madras Mahajan Shobha, Indian League, Indian Association of Calcutta, Bombay Presidency Association. Oh no, basically there is another question. Look, Madras Mahajan Shobha was established in 1884 in Madras. Indian League, I have said earlier, 1875. Indian Association of Calcutta, 1876. And Bombay Presidency Association, no, 1885. So your option will be first Indian League, then Indian Association, 2, 3, then Madras Mahajan Shobha, 4. So 2, 3, 1 for first one. This is the last question for today. Which of the following leaders was not moderatist? D. Vachia, S. N. Banerjee, Bipin Chandra Pal, Dadabhai Naoroji. মানে এদের মধ্যে কোন লিডার তখন তো এক্সট্রিমিস্ট মডারিস্ট দুটো কনসেপ্ট ছিল সায়েন্সের মধ্যে। তো মডারিস্ট যেটাকে নরমপন্থী বলা হয় বা লিবারেল, তাদের মধ্যে কোনটা নয় বেসিক্যালি? Your answer is Bipin Chandra Pal. He was extremist leader. So friends, this is all for now. If you want PDF of this video, please follow my Telegram channel. I am giving PDF there. I have given link of Telegram channel in the description. Also, you can connect me on various social media platforms. I have given link of them in the description. So, thanks for watching. Have a great day.